Okay, ladies, this is not your regular boho braid install. This is what? The new miracle knot method. Yes, this miracle knot method is designed for clients and people dealing with thinning edges, alopecia, hair loss, no edges. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful style. Look how it came out. Look at this new miracle boho braid method. We went from this to a full set of hair. Yes, watch this full transformation as I take my client from visible hair loss in the front and at the top and around her edges to a full natural look boho braid style. Yes, using my signature technique. No tension and no stress, just results. Let's jump in. Alopecia, it does not matter. I'm going to show you in this video step by step how you too can wear the what miracle knot viral style that is going on. So as you can see, my client here, she does have some thinning in the front, at the top, and around her edges. But with this technique, it is protective and it has no tension. What does that mean? It will not pull on any of your natural hair, and that's what we want, ladies. We want to wear protective styles that looks beautiful, but at the same time, we are protecting our natural hair, and our natural hair is still growing. My whole goal is always to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So in here, I am going right on into the braid pattern. Yes, I gave her a healthy braid pattern with no tension. Yes, this is the perfect braid pattern for anyone who has thin hair, thin edges, no edges. You want to make sure that you are giving a style that will not put any tension, pressure, or pulling on those edges. And that's what I did here. I did some singles in the front, and I'm taking those single braids, and the braids that I braided in the back is going from side to side or from ear to ear. And as you can see, I braided her edges going down and not back. So I'm taking the ends of those singles and I am just lightly crocheting it under the braid. And yes, here it is, our G&G hair growth oil. As always, I'm always moisturizing and hydrating my client's hair. I've already hydrated it with our G&G hair growth butter, which is made with 100% all natural ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, it is made with tea tree oil, peppermint oil, argan oil, black seed oil, grape seed oil, just to name a few. And now I'm going in with what? The crochet cap. Yes, this is an anti-slip crochet cap that I'm using with her. Why am I using a crochet cap? Because I want to protect her natural hair. And again, I want to make sure that I'm putting as less tension, pulling, and stress on her natural hair as possible. Her hair is already thin, it's fragile, and we do not want to have any breakage at all. So again, I am putting on this crochet cap, and then I'm going in with what? My pre-braided custom frontal. Yes, ladies, this is the answer to the question, can you wear this style or any style with my custom frontal or my custom closure? You can wear any style that you desire. And I am going to be using this with her style. So this custom frontal comes pre-braided, or you can braid it yourself. So this one is already pre-braided. I have the single braids or the box braids already installed. And here is the hair that we're going to be using today. It is the Human Crochet Body Wave, and it is from Y Wigs. Yes, ladies, this hair came from my wigs. It's 20 inches long. It is a natural black, and it is body wave. Yes, it's a body wave, and I'm just going to show you a little close-up look of what it looks like. It came with 6 packs, and it is beautiful. So if you worked with this hair before, you know it has the thread that separates the two sections of hair. The thread is in the middle, and it gives that no knotless look, which means other traditional crochet braids, even the pre-loop, you're still going to have a knot at the very beginning where you crochet it in. With this hair, there is no knot, and that is what makes this hair stand out from any other traditional crochet hair. And look how this is coming out. Look how it is laying. So I did my braids from side to side. A lot of stylists do their braids going straight down. However, I love doing my braids going from side to side or from ear to ear because I love the way it makes it hang. It looks so flat, it looks so natural, and that's why I always do my braids in the back going from side to side. Knot. So we're almost going to start doing our boho miracle knots. Yes, ladies, this is the part that you guys have been waiting for. Yes, I am going in by first adding a piece of the crochet to the end of her pre-braided frontal. Yes, these are the braids that I had already pre-braided in her frontal. I'm adding a piece of the crochet, and I'm just going to braid that all the way down till I get just about to the end of the braid. Once I get to the end of the braid, I am just going to tie it off. I'm going to show you how I do my knot just to tie it off, and that is just to keep that braid from coming loose. So I just take it and I wrap it around my finger and I pull it through, and I use a very, very small piece of hair, almost like a piece of thread. And then I just pull it again at least 2 to 3 times to give it a nice firm knot. And then I pull that knot and I do not cut the ends. I do not cut the ends because that will probably make it unravel, and we do not want it to unravel. And then I'm going to go into the braid with my small latch hook. I have 2 different size latch hooks. One is the regular size and this is my small size. I go in with the small size because these braids are not that big. They're actually kind of small. And I go in and then I'm just going to take both ends of the crochet and I'm going to pull it through. And when I pull it through, I'm pulling it through to make sure that the thread is knotted. You want to make sure that the thread is knotted and not the hair, because with that thread is knotted, the knot is going to be in there. It's not going to move. It's not going to shift. It's not going anywhere. And that's what we want. We want that boho style piece of hair to just stay in place. And look at that, ladies. No knot. That is the miracle knot. Yes. So continue to keep watching. I'm going to continue doing these miracle knots with all the braids that she has pre-braided on her frontal. Remember, this frontal is handmade by myself. You can only get it on my website. It's not sold in stores. It's not sold online. So tap the link in the description below and get your frontal in today. Get your order in. What are you waiting for? This is the answer. This is the solution to all your hair issue problems. Again, whether you have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, short hair, damaged hair, thin edges, no edges at all, this custom frontal will do the trick for you. No one is ever going to know that you have any hair loss. And look at that boho. Look at that boho braid. Oh my gosh, this is coming out absolutely beautiful, ladies. So don't think just because you have thin hair or no hair, alopecia, no edges, that you cannot wear a beautiful miracle knot style, because I am showing you that that style can be achieved no matter what. So again, here I'm going in and I'm braiding in a piece of the crochet hair. And again, I braided it all the way to the end. I knotted it off, and now I'm going in to add those boho pieces to give it that boho style. I just took my small latch hook, again the small one, not the big one, and I pulled it through the braid, and here I am pulling that crochet with the thread through. And remember to knot the thread. Once I get that thread knotted and I pull it through, that is it, ladies. I mean, this is super simple, super easy. And if you don't want to do that part, you can get your whole frontal or your whole closure, whichever one you prefer, with the boho braids already on it. Yes, I do that as well. You can get it pre-braided with the boho braids already installed. So all you have to do is install that frontal or install that closure. It is easy as 1, 2, 3. It comes with an adjustable band so that it can be adjustable for all head types. And again, no one will ever know that she has any hair loss whatsoever. Look how beautiful this body wave came out. My client was so happy, so excited, so thrilled, and so was I that she was able to get the style that she desired, even with her hair issues. So again, tap the link in the description below. Get your order in today for your pre-braided frontal, your pre-braided closure, or you can braid them yourself. It's affordable, it's reusable. I mean, there is nothing left to do but for you to get your order in. So again, thanks for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos as I upload new videos every single week. And oh my gosh, look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to zoom in and give you a close-up of her hairline and how natural this came out. Look at that. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. Again, look at that hairline. No one will ever know that she has any hair loss or any hair thinning. Look how beautiful this came out. And it's so versatile. Again, she can wear it in so many different styles. So thanks again for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until the next video.